In an old and quiet corner of the monastery, Sonam and Dorj sit surrounded by teachings of ancient wisdom. Their brows furrow in concentration over the sacred texts, a test of their novice minds. The warmth of sunlight does little to soothe the cold knot of frustration in their hearts. Nor does it ease the weight of exhaustion evident in the young monk's weary eyes. Sonam looks up at Dorj, his eyes reflecting a mix of determination and dismay.
No matter how much I climb, it's like the mountain grows. The scriptures, they vex me and tower over, ever rising beyond my reach.
Dorj acknowledged the challenging journey of knowledge.
Remember what our master said? The path of learning is like climbing Mount Everest, tough, but the view from the top is worth it.
Keep going, the summit awaits.
Sonam frowns, troubled by his thoughts.
I don't know if I will ever reach the peak of understanding all this knowledge.
Dorj speaks from a place of wisdom and experience.
Remember how we struggled when we first began to meditate? With each passing day, we became more skilled. It's the same with learning the scriptures.
Sonam stands in the new day's light, her eyes reflecting a newfound wisdom. She nods slowly, an understanding of patience blooming within her.
Let's work on this together, Sonam. With teamwork, we can understand it much better.
I couldn't have come this far without you, Dorj. With you by my side, I feel like we can take on any challenge together.
And take them on we shall, as a team.
The library exudes calm, with sacred scriptures surrounding the quiet space. Sonam and Dorj sit down and open their ancient texts. They delve into the wisdom of the pages, eager to understand. They exchange insights, each clarifying difficult sections for the other. Together, they find a renewed sense of purpose, pushing themselves to excel.